good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. All depends on the ABC I watch them. This is morning, and this is Saturday morning. Happy weekend to all of you all. Biko okumage etogonogo aka na-ekene kwunu ma nwoke ma nwaanyị ka ochi ya zalo ndụ mmiri ndụ azụ ma nwoke ma nwaanyị ekele m unu. Ife nji abịakari live video na this my page ka ụwa wee mata na ọmụ nwe page ya, and also a lot of people about search JPAC and I for about 8 to 10 different kind of JPAC with the same logo, the same everything, the same name. So when I'm kind of live here, Jima and Ka belong to me. I make a loan in I'm going to go again. Kayama Yokuano as a reasonable person. Ndengro Miriara, Muzu. Who's if an app when you talk? Country my own. Number one. Open I support for the freedom of Ndi Igbo. Ndi Igbo we will have one abo, and this so among we put your precious time. Now mock the dead. Now castigate the dead. Now abuse the dead. Time in with a phone, in with a smartphone, with data. You have never one day speak for the release of Nnamdi Kanu, but in with the data and time to mock the dead. You are nothing but a fool. I repeat. Igbo onye Igbo. Onye Igbo like Igbo nwere onwe ha pụọ n'oru. In with a smartphone, in with Android, in with a data. You have never one day in your life, whether your smartphone or your data, we could see Nnamdi Kanu bo our own great prophet of our time. Prophet Ndi Igbo of our time. You have never done that. Manage your data and time and your Android phone or whatever. When you na akato maka TB Joshua. Igbo nothing but a big fool. You are a fool, and I will not paint words to insult you being a fool. Number two, the three categories of people. Number two, if with the condition of this country, you see where this country is heading to. If with the situation of this country, that fuel, that we are buying fuel comfortably 680 naira. No riot, no protest, nothing, not comfortably, both poor and the rich. Now as if fuel see something. Gas, the same thing. Cooking gas, the same thing. No good road, no water, no lights, no steady light. Nothing is moving in this country. You have never used your data for one day to tell the president and the people that are ruling you that enough is enough. And you have time to castigate somebody who want to insult the dead. You are nothing but an idiot. You be full of 40. If you like, keep commenting nonsense. That time, TB Joshua is fake. TB Joshua is miracle. Is fake. Somebody around. Have you ever seen a court of law where dead body are like this, a living body are like this? Then I will say, oh yeah, let the dead speak, let the living speak. Then the living a kusha better as I said the dead but they say they were their time. TB Joshua is fake. This one is fake. But you have never called Tinubu. You have never called out Tinubu that Tinubu is messing up this country. That time but TB Joshua is fake. You always finding faults. Now because of the evil agenda coming up. The agenda is to destroy anything gbasara things of the Lord. Ezuru ahịa zụta ha ego, ezụta ha ọnụ gị. Igbo Christianity na Christ bụ can block all this buchi. I need any negative vibe here. Eno na-akatọ onye ma na ọ nwụrụ anwụ, na-akatọ onye ma na omebilite n'ọnwụ bịa zara ọnụ ya. Man, your dirty mouth will not allow you, your stinking dirty mouth will not allow you to say that fuel not as 680. You are smelling gutter mouth will not allow you to speak what is not going right in this country, because you enjoy and you suffer and also smiling. You enjoy suffering in fullness. You enjoy gnashing of teeth in fullness. You enjoy calamity then at this country in fullness. How many times have you opened your mouth and say that Ndi Igbo, broad daylight, the vote that's supposed to that was meant for P2B, now with a vote where you have never voiced out your grievances. You have never voiced out how it is. You voiced it out. Not the bad. You derive joy in suffering. Because not also Christians be here on what. Hindus, Muslims, many religions, more than thousands of religions. And we are never perfect, we are never sent. It happened the pressing need. I can block all this Attire Hausa easy. Do you think that have you ever seen me send you a request to come and follow me easy? So no, I could chew mbano ozu. Come and get out from my live broadcast. You watch here the kind of comments in the way and the kind of followers in the way, refined followers, refined people with a refined mindset. I am blocking any negative vibe because I want them man like the J Park in your name, may your jaw. They will come out boldly, tell me J Park and kill you could have. Automatically, I will hacking diligently to their voice. When I came in my live video, when I about Chinaka, Piage block straight. Can I peg block? I'm not the in the full moves. So don't think that maybe no comments and nonsense can happen. Ban Nwagi, I will press ban and report you and block you. I don't give chance for demon 2024. I can never give Satan chance in my life and in my page. Any sign of Lucifer, any sign of idiotic act in my page, blocking straight. You cannot come and smell and mess up my page. Any sign of demonic na my page, receive blocking straight. Open on the believe na Jesus come kwetere okara mma ibia buru yo polite encourage onyoma the managing director polite encourage hotel Oyamanje Jemba, happy new year one more time. Thank you very much for joining my program. Marake Borodo TV, I see you. Go and sit down. I am sitting down already. Let me block you because you don't like what I'm saying. Ozu. One known working on a DSS now. None of you have ever bring out their phone. Man, each phone got wine. Ozu. Each phone we about cha. Each phone we get blue film in a bond that on daily basis. Each phone we get a video call. Now, but why I go see Anna? I go see Anna wine on a togo. The same data you have never used that data for one day. Do you think I am happy? Do you think I am happy etu Ndi Igbo si ata ahụhụ. I am not happy and I can never be happy. Obuno good luck Jonathan Nachi. When good luck Jonathan Nachi, fuel was 87 naira. And then riot, then protest, a massive. Opa good luck, everything defined. Back at the coke, mineral coke. Opa nke now is not far. Nke was here. How many 10 years ago? Mba na ere mineral 100 naira. Wholesale price 18 naira, 19 naira, 100 naira. Get out, no problem. Okay, for all the antichrist in my page blocking straight. Because I'm going to check here. You are on my page causing nuisance, causing havoc, destroying the image of body of Christ. But on my page now, nonsense. Oh, what do you game? Now, block. You have never given me work before. You ought to be tomorrow before. I have never benefited anything from you before. You were sent to come and spoil the good people in my page. You can never speak because you be idiot. Okay, I am not forcing you to speak for the release of Nnamdi Kanu. Fine, everybody should be. I am not forcing you to cry out loud. The kind of torment I didn't want as Ndi Igbo. Unwere okeruru Ndi Igbo na Nigeria. Open I nwere at least 5 bloggers na bamba na social media. Ndi Igbo na anwụ na ndị. Okay, look at our elder. People that call themselves elder. Man, don't have Ndi Igbo. These are the kind of challenge. These are the kind of problem we are facing. We need to tackle. Insecurity, we need to tackle and come out fully. You will not say, no, Igbo, a whole grown-up person like you. He will protect that mother. May God allow people to mock you when you will die. Can't block or idiot. Next time, you're going to show me my program. Enjoy. You are very careful the way you comment on my page, because nonsense comments instant. That is the only thing I love about Mark Zuckerberg. Mark Zuckerberg create an icon button that if you don't, if you insult maybe on your web page, that icon button is very, very sweet for me, because maybe I report and block because you know when you're on a page, in you know on my page. So why are you in my page? Anywhere below face, oh yeah, collect them. No time. Straight. Man, I better cut to you were a negative and evil comment. Now be put you here. Do you think I'm begging you? Easy. Collect them. At least not able to own a devil human being and devil dead, because it's obvious then when they can they use Facebook. So those people are people I am looking for. Bring out your face and call blocking those both. That's why I like it, but I'm better live video, because their stupidity will not allow them to comment good. They must comment bad. So one day comment bad, you put this videos and check blocking straight. And you think that I don't block or with followers. Now block more 10 people will follow me immediately. People are sharing my broadcast. Body of Christ must reign forever. Or they get out. I'm not begging you. Or they begging, get hell out of my page. Do you think if you give a giveaway and you can follow me, I am doing giveaway 2,000, 10,000, 5,000, then they follow J Pack. I am doing giveaway. Followers. Oh God, if you open a follow one can give you poison no. That's what they boss say anyway. No be chuku no be mad. Block straight. At least since 2023 till date. Omenala advert can marry. So I no lose. No, maybe nam block work and they lose. I forgot Omenala dibia near my advert sim marry. Came to go say one dibia now work hard to wear that pia. If no more job won. So came to go see in whip work anything dibia. Whip work and any basara dibia kaji in your cock. Yes, I said go and check any page job on a boy dibia. Who had with the 10,000 views on my video. Starting from mention the person, because no constant calling their name kahaja the relevance, then you have view, then you have followers, then you have relevance. But ever since I stop it, what is happening on social media? Ha nyo pay, and so shall it be. I'm not ready to call any dibia. Ina agwo gboro onwe gi. Ina akpansi, kpara onwe gi nsi. Ina achu aja, chuoro onwe gi aja until the last day. I am Mandebunde. But if you can see able full time for the things of the Lord, Iena Garabon Coma. Iena Mane Kumaka cries, Rubo say Udomaja, Udomaja, more. Obno come walk and lay, Jachinaka stand a jokum more. A man know him better no whim, can J jokum more. Open him better no whim Bubara lazy anyway, man know him Bubara, because I must stand for Christ. Onyu can make your jota. Mma boldly that I'm a Christian does not mean nor a pastor you more prophet I must say the truth, because when David Rasia oh wait prophet look at David is here in Yoko ira made and they put a made what about the send the aqua to you who go Ojeba Jawan and made the double. Niaya Magi all the messenger. So, neighbor a Christian Abra guarantee that na fuck or able to tell me your fuck that I will not treat your fuck. I will leave a Bible only a chastisement means a bacanante. May your jaw omuibe don him hacanante. Money que more your jaw many your jaw don again acanante. I will correct myself. Ime your jaw. It's not God's origin. Oh, thank God. Keep on bringing yourself out. Cannot block him. Ozu. Where but we can na yo. Ma block we do not say onya habo koko. I was say we put away. And my yoga yo. Since last year 2023, God bless me massively. And I cannot deny God. The least advert in 2023 was 200,000. Mumu big mouth. Okay, thank you. Thank God neighbor that I will be doing now call you nonsense. I'm Nuru Karachuku when is very kemwe. Yamana ekwensu na wiwe, ekwensu na bamba na agbare ka abi ebubiri odo because of gini ekwensu lose a key point. Ekwensu lose room and they are not happy. How many people thrown poison 2023? I swear I talk the poison again because half a more bogene chinedu chukunedum. Open a snake over the nave going to nature. I will still give my testimony when I get back to my base. Can go how much nake merem na this 2024. By now, I got that throw me ego contribution. Can we release them? But God, that can be equated that now. God exists. In how much nake merem na 2024. Now my base can be the testimony. It to God will save him. By now, all got the breaking news. Near the today, I'm at a jetpack. Near the today, I'm at a jetpack. April soon, we when I lose the jetpack. So I am not surprised. To people say drag them on Facebook. April soon, they are very, very angry. Now somebody like jetpack will keep up key point if you don't know. I'm a key point. Any society, but that society must progress. Abun key point. So if it's na bamba, we na bari, na ha lose jetpack, they were kind of dragging to themselves. Why a big no jetpack we pull we poor na kepensu. A big hano hajiwe lose jetpack. Last year, from January to middle of last year, when the thing stopped, when I anchored my birthday, emechara birthday m buru Bible n'aka wee mee birthday ha mgbe aka na wee gatọsịcha ihe niile all from July 28th ka e bidoro gbaba war and I drag the dead mpaghi nyegidere poison wee nwụọ. Nobody has ever dragged your father bụ ochie onye ohi mpaghi na mmadụ bechara wee nwụọ taa nwụọ out of ohi na nsi amaghị ama na village na you that is watching me mana mpaghi kpagidere nsi wee nwụọ mpaghi zagidere ajọ afa na village wee nwụọ. Till date nobody has ever dragged your father, nobody has ever dragged your mother. Gị nwa na onwe gị mana mpaghi kpara arụ nna anyị ha kpara arụ mgbe gboo. Nobody has ever dragged them. We are still calling them saints up to date. Prosperity Oze offer Bruzo. Get hell out of my page. Ozu, come on, get out. Ọ bụ na mmadụ 30 bụ followers m. 30 ya na-enye m ife m chọrọ. Ọ na-enye m ife m chọrọ. Ịpụta na drag onye nwụrụ anwụ. Oke asị gị nnọọ gị nwa na drag ebu sent ijikwa egbe ezu ohi ijikwa fon eme yahoo na-anasị ndị mmadụ ego na Facebook na-ekreti ya fake account na-ezu ohi inwe God to drag the dead because na iji as point of contact to destroy the body of Christ. Iji as point of contact to destroy the body of Christ. Because na ife haji agbagharị up and down bụ na as a nwa nke Chineke, Christ does not support stealing and killing. Christ does not support wayo needing na nwunye mmadụ. All the atrocities and the evil, Christ had that support well. Mana ha na like ije bediri okay. Ebe a ga-asị gị come as you are. Come as you like. You are a criminal, you are welcome. You are a... Tell me, in this generation, can somebody ya ebini ọtọ gagidi ije jena nke nwa dibia in the name na na-eme omenala jena nke nwa dibia si ya nya gwọrọ ọgwụ ka e weje niere mmadụ n'ebe ọ na-arụ ụlọ ha nchaba omenala apụta ehelwe exalt we on high because gịnị na o ji ọfọ o ji ọjị o ji edo o ji nzu o ji mgbomgbo na mgbomgbo eme exalt welie enu onye jere kpara mmadụ nsi nye mmadụ enye ure nye mmadụ echere enwe nke njefu na village ma anya mmiri bara n'anya. This man is a poor man. A na-ekwu na this man be a poor man nọrọkwa n'elu enyekwa poison na jụsị ndị anyere echere okwu abashu o nwere ife this man tọbara ụmụ enweghị ego ụmụ enwebeghị ego abịa na-asị na ụmụ eji ego. This man arụtabeghị ezigbo ụlọ o nweghị ezigbo ihe ọ na-eme ejekwaje debere poison n'ihu bee ke ndị na-eme the poison ọmụ dibịa ikwu ya sị gị you are fighting omenala. Go back to root. Ọ bụ na go back to root bụ na ọka nnachi ya azụ soro ndị na-akpa nsị na-akpa nsị asị me go back to root gbakwa ọkụ 10 times. A poor man na my village see my house na ebe my father took me sị m bịa ka ije fụ onye a mụ nekwa enyere poison. When I went there anya mmiri gbaa m n'anya ọbịa bụ na dị man enweghị ego ụmụ ya enwebeghị ego ha nwebeghị ihe a na-arụ. This man onwe ihe ọ dịka ọkada ka ọ na-ese foto dị man wee kwụrọtọ wụsị chachachacha ihe na ọkpe asị na opugokwa ọkpe for complete 1 year na-ekwu na-akpa afa. Onye first person m wee jebe ụlọ ọgwụ bụ Rambo Motors na Nnewi bụ onye ụkpọ a Knight of St. John, a born Christian. Wee nụ na onye a na-enyere poison onye nyere poison onye omenala nyere poison maka gịnị maybe na ọ na-eje ụka maybe na ọ mụtara nwa nwoke. Rambo wee buru this man Cosmas wee buru ejebe ụlọ ọgwụ onye bụla Cosmas anwụbeghị ruo na onye bụ na Cosmas anwụbeghị ruo na Rambo wee buru jee jụọ Rambo Motors and Nnewi go and verify. Rambo we bronya, we jabo no over teaching hospital Nnewi, where's over there, where megide abo, where mete. My cara say my dad said, made my dad transfer, said that because you ego. Nejin catch, Jay withdraw ego chore. Oh, way. Can block or you toss no your papa be fool because now, a kuderan kutenke, nke taragaho. Iwe Boba Nagi. And when you this man a chair, when I hear, onye ego. Nke waramanya miri buwane okay owanya yes yesterday nka it's na asobu na debi nika ya no ebe a ga de bi afre na mmiri ubu osibu no ukpo mmiri ukpo ubu Nnewi na ukpo e mano ya ga apụtara ebe a ofu idiot so na oba eze nwanyị na na-ege ntị atrocity ana comment gasị n'obodo a ofu idiot so na oba eze nwanyị wee kpọrọ mmadụ wee je nwute ebini wee were agara igwe dụwa ebini ọnụ na na-ege m ntị dụwa dị ebini ọnụ wee were nnukwute key wee gbachie dị ebini ọnụ ọkwa omenala go to mmiri ụbụ na the ebini is still there gaa na mmiri ụbụ ụkpọ ebini ahụ maka na akụ mmiri wee were afa mmadụ were picture mmadụ wee makwụba na ebini wee were key wee gbachie ọnụ human being ka agbachiri ihe a kee na agwọ dị ọgwụ dibịa. Go back to root abi you will not see all those things no ihe ga dey ezuzugari up and down bụ a dead man ida mock a dead man mana mpage nwụrụ out of cancer nobody has ever mocked your father mpage nwụrụ out of agụụ out of obiam nobody has ever mocked your father na ọ nwụrụ out of agụụ mpage nwụrụ out of carelessness nobody has ever mocked your father na village no nwụrụ out of carelessness papa gị nwụrụ na accident due to na onwe ego ji aba moto ọ dafuo mpage nwụrụ ebe ọ nwụrụ kai dachi ụzọ nobody has ever mocked your father mana iwe butere data gị and phone gị na mock onye nwụrụ anwụ TB Joshua mee ihe ọjọọ leave the judgment for God. He has already faced the white throne of judgment. We have only one life. After this life come judgment. Nobody born by a woman have the right to judge anybody. The judgment of God, everybody must face the white throne of judgment. Be you Omenala, be ye a church member, be ye a Muslim, be ye a pagan. Once you die, close your eyes, you face the white throne of judgment. Nobody have right to judge anybody. You only have right to judge when you die. When you die at the last day, if you do the right thing, and it happened that then you now have right. Haven't you see where Uncle Sena na be no wa ga ekpende mozi ikpe. The reason why this na ga ekpende mozi ikpe. Let me block this and for. It's my preaching for you. Come on, get out from my page. My own Christianity, baby Christianity. And that I love God does not mean no mama can't. But mama can't. Mama get with it 2 by 2. Once you raise your hand on me, Jebag and I was a get Christ now. Jebag does a horror. Or him, I say, Mamma, made 2 by 2, oh, my own Christian. So I'm a rugged person. In one, am 10. For the rest of your life. So do your own what you believe and do whatever I believe. Richard Summer Morgan, fake account with fake poverty idiots. Come on, get out from my page. Ozu, did I create this page for you? Anoman. These are the people who have from Mpaha go Buera village. These are the people who have from Mpaha. What have you done to your parents? What have you done to your father and mother? You have never cleaned tears from your father's eyes. You have never wipe away tears from your mother. Many ya now mock the dead. Away with I get Igwe with a key. What she this ebony gbachiche ebini ọnụ ebini anaghị ekwuzi okwu ebini emesi like this ọ wee bụrụ mmadụ ka agbachiri ọnụ a human being. Oh God, ọ bụ na polisi ga-ekwe ọ bụ na polisi ga-ekwe ma ọ bụ unu niile nọ ebe clamor na around go back to root, go back to root. Ma ndị ahụ unu feel ọ na-ekwu ichiri unu na oziọma omenala go back to root, go back to root. Ọ bụrụ unu ga-ekwe were ego eji agba afa jebe dị na nke onye ahụ unu filuru na onye na-akụzi nkụzi omenala onye bụ nọmba 1 were na ego eji agba afa jee na nke ọ bụrụ na 100,000 kwue ekwue baa na azụ ebe a na-arụrụ gị ọrụ ka ị nene pikchọ ndị mmadụ, ị nene pikchọ ụmụ Igbo ndị ya gbara n'ụwa dị ka aja dị n'ala. I just a pity una. I really thank God delivered me. If not, by now enwere ike by now nwere ike aja onigo m na-arụ dibịa. Chineke ekene dịrị ego by now ọ ka abara m na-arụ dibịa. Just were ego ji agba afa gbaa afa bazie onye ahụ ife iruru na-arụ ọrụ omenala Igbo na-akụziri nkụzi omenala were ego ji gbaa afa n'aka ka ịbazie na chemba azụ ụlọ inenekọta pikchọ ụmụ Igbo ndị eji n'ọrụ a na-arụgide yahoo ruo onye Igbo yahoo. Ọgwụ omenala bụ ụzọ eziokwu. A na-arụgide onye Igbo 419, a na-arụgide 419 na-asị azaman my client. A na-arụgide client dibịa onye Igbo arụ ọrụ onye Igbo bịara ịrụ ọrụ client ka o nwutekwa onye Igbo kwagbukwe onye Igbo wayekwa onye bụ omenala nso m bịakwute fiakwa, God forbid. Because I know fully well that at the last day, whatever you do, you must face the white throne of judgment, the Holy Lamb of Israel. You must face the white throne. It's sure. Nothing, absolutely nothing that will make me to change my mind. Because I already have a counter, and we're going to encounter of Christ. No matter I'm a sinner, if you get snatched back na akwiko, get back na maya. But the most important thing is that know your creator. Know that this is right and this is wrong. Were ego je gba afa n'aka onye ahụ bụ highest bụ onye omenala bụ highest. Ito ọnụ ifu picture ndị Igbo. Ị na-ajụ sị we are going back to our root. Mana dibia na arụrụ client, arụrụ onye Igbo client ka o nwutekwa onye Igbo bụkwa client bụ mgbadakwa. Now tell me, is that the love? Igbo ya Anambra State nweta mgbada bụ onye Imo State nwanne gị, we are the same blood. Because onye ọbụla na-asụ Igbo bụ one blood. Igbo ya Anambra State nweta mgbada ọ bụrụ onye Imo State na America. Rue ọjọbọ rue mgbada onye Imo State kwụọ ụgwọ. Na-ege m ntị, i were ego 10% ma 30% wejere dibịa gị na dibịa ekele ṅụọ mmanya kene chukwu unu na ị nwetara nwanne gị bụ onye Imo State na America ịrụrụ ọjọbọ napụ ego. Onye Imo State na America na-adai na-anwụ na-adai in pain and gnashing of teeth. Chee na onye ọcha ka ya na-abụ onye ọcha ka ya na-abụ mere. Na-ege m ntị, Igbo ya Anambra State tụọ akwụkwọ nweta onye Imo State na America gị na nwa dibịa gị ahụ gwue wayo onye Imo State nọrọ in homeless, nọrọ in pain, nọrọ in gnashing of teeth. Iweta ego nye dibịa ịbịa Thanksgiving kene arọ bụ n'agụ for defrauding your fellow Igbo brother. For defrauding your fellow Igbo brother. Wete moto, wete machine, wete mgbada, wete ewu, wete elephant, wete nke hippopotamus, wete kene arọ for defrauding onye Imo State bụ mgbada. Check ihe na-ekwu. For defrauding Igbo Enugu State nwete mgbada. Okay, Igbo Enugu State nwete mgbada bụ onye Anambra State. Akwụ ụgwọ mgbada bụ onye Anambra State na-amara onwe ka nọ Brazil kwụọ ụgwọ bebi etu isu esa isi oche no business kwụọ ụgwọ na account onye Abia State wetere azaman na aba azaman. Let me block this akuna. First of all, expose your dead father, not a grave. If you need expose to J-Park, get hell out of my page. Idiot. Iwe ruo jobo onye Abia State we weta aza weta account nya aza man na account man we nye onye Enugu State unu wee weta ọrụ a wee tụọ onye Anambra State ọrụ Anambra State wee kwụọ ụgwọ rege m ntị wee kwụọ ụgwọ wee kwere onye aza man wetara aza na onye Abia State wetara aza onye Abia State wee lefu na ọrụ adaba there is left onye Abia State na iwerezi ego nyezie onye Enugu State then onye Abia ahụ megene kuchie the money nege m ntị onye Abia bụ aza man wetara ya account onye gwuru wa ya egwu bụ onye Imo State maọbụ onye Enugu onye ka egwuru wa ya egwu bụ onye Anambra ego wee bata na akaụntụ onye Abia State kuchie the money now gị nwa bụzi onye Imo maọbụ onye Enugu nwe the account mana onye Abia State kuchiri akaụntụ ahụ onye Anambra State wetere ije guruzie dibịa rụrụ ọrụ wee sị ya na onye a jighị ụgwọ na-ege m ntị na o jighị ụgwọ ka a gbaa ụgwọ asị na $1 million $500,000 ego dị too much and ego onye Anambra onye kuchiri the money bụ onye Abia State now dibịa na-arụziri gị ọrụ ka retrieve ego egwutere na wayo ka nya ike wee rie nke unu ahụ egwutewu m just not tozo. Oh, God bless you. Wepụta isi gị ka ị nara blọkin ozugbo mana ga-abịara ịkọ akụkọ sepụta isi gị ozugbo da nsuo gị one time since ndị Igbo achọghị truth the kingdom of God suffer violence and the violence are taken by force. A lady, hey, Chineke God, I had to make bafa, but he had a lady, je with a picture dear, with a picture dear, where with the one dibia, see chere dear, Kadiana Hugo, yeah, Bobble to na Diego, Kone Ego. And this is the kind of woman they want me to be part of. May God in heaven forbid for me to go back and be doing evil. I know the truth, I shall know the truth, and the truth shall set you free. We have only one life. We have only one life. Oh, what if you made that? I never be mama. John the Baptist, the Google said, "Meruson ko several wakokoto." Oh, what if they met that? I never be mama. Also, at the last day, the perilous time shall come when men will be lovers of themselves more than lovers of God. At the last day, do you know the word means perilous? The perilous time shall come when men will be lovers of themselves more than lovers of God. The time is here. So don't be afraid, don't be shaken. Everything in the J-Park Mumu, God bless you, thank God, you don't even have name. Zebdi Segi, my block the 500, my 100, this live video. Except this goes one block or goes go straight. The perilous time is here. The perilous time is here. Also, the perilous time shall come when church will be against church. So don't be scared, don't be worried. Church will be against church. Nations against nation. Oh, are you not aware? I know in Israel for months now. That is nations against nation. Are you not aware? I know in Russia for months, close to a year. Nations against nation. Iraq, Iran, all the part of the world. That is the sign of the end time. So what you have to do now is not the time to castigate people. It's not the time to portion blame to Christians or to a pagan or to whoever. The time for you to ask yourself, if you die now, where will you be? Think about your own life. Your own life matters. Stop thinking about the dead. If your life, some people will tell you and deceive you that once you die, you're just gone like that. You have never asked yourself, how did you come out in this world? Who created you? Did you form by yourself? Automatically, when you die, you must meet the white throne of judgment. Heaven is real and the hellfire is real. Devil, they are walking around. He have a final deceive. Can they deceive in them mad? Final deceive. And don't you know when your life is gone. You don't know what tomorrow. Two-faced man, get out from my page. Do you think I send invitation to follow me? Here. I told negative people this year. I promise to block you. To tell you, I don't fighting for followers. Followers, Jaka Abia. Ujaka Abero, we also originate pro way, and that's all Jazo, originate pro way and over. Last year, in advert, you remember from A to Z. One year, be made advert, 1 year, man, advert. They are all Christian family. So why wouldn't I love God? Eti him aka na dibia, eti him aka na ogu, eti him aka na ihe ojo, njos kuba aka ma oto. Na-ekwu eziokwu. This year, I will not say anything, mana the actions or the God's favor will speak for himself. God's favor will do what? Will speak for himself. Obo healer. If people see the change and like that, where will your life be? When you are choputa, then when heaven, when hell. But when my mother died, last 5 years, my mother, because I am so much close to my mom as the first son. I'm so much close to my mom. If nna anata who my mother, my mother loves me. In fact, if my mom or the husband and wife. But when this woman passed on, when this woman died, this woman continued to reveal herself to me. The within 5 minutes can end their live video. Then 5 minutes can end their live video. I have sent it to you. My mother revealed herself to me. My mother went mad anyway. All the activities of the church. Every day I keep on seeing my mother and I because no real life. I was nobody before. Nobody knows me 5 years ago. My mother wanted then a dream that no neje mepere mozo. Because we really suffer. We really suffer. My mother wanted then a dream no neje mepere mozo. No, or moro unless na mechara gabi ije agwo aka chukwu dị na home. My mother they go see me enough for my mother communication ihe niile gbasara ihe nke chukwu because my mother bụ woman leader na church ubu church n'isi mgbe ọ nwụrụ ebe niile o si eje ụka everywhere niile ọnọkọta ma ebe na-ebicha ndụ agwọ my mother akpọrọ m na-adụ m ọdụ na-asị m na enwekwara life after death. Be careful. Anyway, life after death. Maybe you'll be thinking, maybe, well, such a thing has never happened to you. Maybe if you lose any of your dearly one, now I will take it to na dream. Here na funa. Onye nwara anwụ na agba ndị dị ndụ okwu. Onye nwara anwụ na ezi ndị dị ndụ ozi ọma. Anyị don't I see you. Anyị don't I see you. If onye nwara anwụ na ezi ndị dị ndụ ozi. Mmadụ anwụgo na village m rụọ nrụ wee gwa ụmụ ya wee sị ya jee gwa ndị dị etu a na ebe ọ nọ kịta na ọ na-ata afụfụ na onye a nara ana na-agba onye nwa ana. People don't know. Anyị dons onye Ịchaka, come out live video ka mara ihe na-ekwu. I don't know where you are, if ị na-ekwu ekwu better live ka m ghọta ihe na-ekwu. I'm bringing you in. Accept the request.
Okay, man. I'm good.
Accept the request. I'm bringing you in. When I'm on the dead. I just maybe your network is trying to join. Accept. I don't see only Ịchaka Ezi Nwamba no monarchy silly. I know you're welcome to my live broadcast.
Yes, open your on J Park.
I can't hear you.
Man. Open your on J Park. Welcome, man.
Hey.
Can you see me? Can you see me?
Yeah, I can hear you. I can hear you. I can hear you.
Okay.
Hey, for the topic I need now. Is it right for onye na ekuru ọnụ as no na onye dị ndụ na-ekuru ọnụ na onye nwụrụ anwụ ekuru ọnụ onye nwụrụ anwụ a na-ebupụta sị pass na born energy na mock the dead? Is it right to mock the dead, mock person when he was no more?
I'll call you. I'm on live broadcast. I'll call you back. Hello, welcome. I'm sorry, Hannah podcast on the phone, okay?
Oh yeah.
Well, Baba, good morning. On your bomb now, more a block or until match a more on block or. Yeah, so now, because some people now bondage my private line, half of them online, they feel like Namji my phone, got bomb get a got from. Yeah, I'm asking that now we can affect your name with his phone at that time. So in that conversation, and we end there.
Okay.
And when they hear, I will still do a video today and post, but to throw a little shade to what you're saying. And when you then your caption, let's see anybody who is criticizing TB Joshua, not with left.
Yeah.
See, let me tell you something. The problem we have is not singling one particular person out. Only a problem I want. We have problem generally with African perception about religion itself. With Africans' mentality about religion itself. Do you know that what we have right now, but another version of what religion used to be, what we have now is a confraternity. What we have now is a cult. Yeah, what we have now is a cult, a confraternity. I should be the last person to speak on this matter because I'm a product of religion. I was born and bred from a religious background. And I was supposed to be still doing religion now. Now, what I say when I say religion, I am generalizing it. I'm not coming out to say Christianity, paganism, and all that. Religion. Now, ihe njisi gị na ọ bụzi a cult bụ once you try to speak the truth, as long as it's not religious related, you are free. But whenever it has anything to do with any particular religion, you become a target. Those people known at that religion will start behaving like they're on a confra. All of them will gang up against you. And it is now a channel for those people not at the head of those religions to use that power they know they hold, they acquire, to perpetrate evil and impunity. Because they know that their followers or people that believe in what they do will come and fight for them and suppress anybody that will have anything against them. Let me tell you what people don't know. One thing that cannot be hidden for life is the truth. Truth, it might take time, but it can never be hidden. No matter how calculative, no matter how, vicious, no matter how hard you try to suppress it, even in your absence, it's still going to come up. Let me tell you, it is so sad that me, a religious person like me, I know my own religion is Christianity. As I was born into it, I grew up. But I came to see what many people might have not even seen by now, and might not actually see. And that made me start looking for God, for who I believe behind the religion was God and his existence. But I came to see religion, the religion that we practice here in Africa and here in Nigeria, which is my own religion, Christianity. Mbiana for the dimension on aga. Wherefore that now I might not really find God in me. Even Niger.
I want you to answer this thing straight. My where I capitalize is not. I'm not talking about religion. Nothing concerned about religion. As I said, I'm a religion. I'm a Christian religion. But that does not mean that Naomi Hojo. I will not call the person out. But in the Kubu, if you cannot be able to boldly come out when the person is alive, and you can now, I
know what you ask, because not the book. So I will. I know what you ask. I know what you ask. I know what you ask. I know what you're asking.
1 second. Do you have anything against these two people? No, but he will protect that. Here the way the Bible, not to give where they have no other. Monopoly you could forever do what? Remain silent. A lot of people will in another place. How may you check out the two people were there? Can we ever take a motion will destroy the marriage? 1. 2 is just equivalent to what I just said now. Open a marriage, then the two and him and marry. Boldly come out and say, "Nanonya," just like Suleiman and a saga. I did about mother, Nathan and mother, Arabana, mother. The person that both who is in the one and I drag here. Now, on Bonya as a war, they divided. Either people may believe it as truth or believe it as lie. Maybe he cannot speak for himself. The area I am going is this. That energy, Ada Chanel, for the government that is not moving fine. You and I, and you don't know that the number is 680, 700, 635, 650. or what even aga, and we have power and energy.
Okay, now let me tell you. Imana you know me well. See, when I said that what we run now by confra, no buzi iyobu. What do I mean? Once
your network, your own network. Maybe not on as a call. Somebody now. I'm trying to get what you are saying. The end I don't get confraternity. Maybe group of people in a church, a group go. Maybe
sorry, man, on the phone. So what I was saying, what the problem we have here is Guinea. JPAC, in a mayor John now. More chapter in a mayor John, JPAC. If I come after you, what you will do is you will come and make a post on your post, and people that love what you are doing will start attacking me. Are you getting me? You will start. Yes. They will start attacking me. They will buy the matter, and even I will not even feel safe to walk free again. Now we are no more talking about whether what I said about you is the truth or not. It's all about onye followership more than another person. Is now your word against my own. Are you getting it now?
Yeah.
So in this capacity, you can always quench the truth. You can always quench the truth. You can always use Yanabo mass. You can always use Yanabo mass mob to suppress whatever thing you don't want out there because of getting name where people that you can use as a tool to suppress whatever thing anywhere. Now, coming to your question, one day we live in this country. I can give you more than 15 different call outs, both video and audio and documentary and book that has been written against TB Joshua while he was alive. While he was alive. Yes. Who are those people that are speaking against TB Joshua, and what can they achieve when Onyahan is speaking against?
And
when the mob to suppress you, yourself. Do you know that human being so going to go on at this entertainment industry? Some people weigh their small power at the entertainment industry. Cause havoc. Offers the only way much power. So some people yabu, and when you go and see blow that they will stop greeting people self. You cannot even come close. And when that meto Gano, that is how powerful people can be. Are you getting it? So
yeah.
Even as far as 20-something years ago, there was a national daily publication about TB Joshua. Even his family members and so many things. I still have those dailies on my phone. I can even share it to you privately. So based on the question, it's not like I'm cooking on a TB. No melanka or no melanka. But not based on it. Do you know how many people that spoke? What happened? Now,
let me use what you said and ask you a question. Your own mother and my own mother are no more. You are alive as Marimoro. Wherever no one in your job, Marimere, even a maron. Somebody, your mom, now drag us time media. Personally, I don't tell yourself the truth. Will you be happy?
as well. Now, I love my mom so much. That I'm getting family love for my mom. Mana enweghị agwara m si na my mom mellow. What is left for me is to investigate to find out true. Ọ bụ na o mere that thing.
How will you know?
Watch ya. Nege ntị. Anyị bụ okenye ka anyị bụ ya bụrụzi ụmụazị. Ọ gị nwa na-awụ ọ bụ na nna gị egbughọrọ nna gị efi echi ịkwa ya ụmụnna ya agwa gị datị na bifi igboro nna gị nke efi n'ihe egburu nna gị efi. Are you getting me? Ụfọdụ ndị mmadụ na-ejezi gbuo dị efi outside their company. Ihe egbu ya na that company ya bụ omenala Igbo because na nna gị egbughọrọ nna ya efi. Na-egekwa ntị o. Ọ na-enwe repercussion maka ndị Igbo ka anyị bụ. So ihe nna-achị gwa gị bụ ịjụ ajụjụ, you will get answers if you ask without being biased. Enwe ihe ị na-ajụ na-eme expect to hear something. Ọ dị ka somebody na-eje ka o jee nene kidney test. Ihe ọ na-eme expect ka ọ nụ na onwe ha kidney failure. Ọ bụ na kidney enweghị problem. Mana ọ bụ na ị chọrọ ịma the nature of your kidney. So onye a na-ajụ buru n'obi ka hapụ iwu na enweghị eme kidney ya. O ruo ebe ahụ o nwere ike before meet a doctor full small doctor say ya small doctor wee gwa ya nna you don't even look like somebody nwere kidney. Ọ sị gị ọkụ ya a na-ekwu na ma enweghị all this thing. Ọ baghị uru ka ihe na-ejezi na ọfịs doctor ka ndị check the result ka nnaba na look healthy ọ nabara onwe ya because ihe ọ chọrọ ịnụ ka a gwara ya. Mana enwe ihe bụ that you do your investigation without being biased. Na ị chọrọ ịma asị gị yes ijekwe enye gị result ọnwụ na enweghị na-eme gị ijekwe na another hospital to confirm that na enweghị kidney failure ma ọ na inweghị injury na your kidney. That is when you are investigating to find the truth, not being biased.
You and I know fully well that now all this drag is only exists in Africa. Yeah, not in Africa because all the exists in Africa. Ndị na-echeburu Nigeria from A to Z ma ndị niile bụ ndị nwụrụ anwụ ma ha niile onwebeghị onye akpọpụtara drag. Agba na isiokwu mbụ I can never be a party to a drag onye mma na ọnwụ go okay let's assume na onye ahụ nwụrụ na-ata ahụhụ in other world or his soul is not resting in peace. Mgbe wana kedu ihe m benefit? Kedu what will I benefit from dragging onye ma na drag chakwa today? Eyatu wenga, eyatu family enga. Where you figure me we kedu he get benefit to drag.
See, let me tell you. Problem I went in Africa. Let me tell you what the problem I went in Africa. We have used religion to breed criminals. Wait now. No. If you want to say the truth, don't be biased in saying the truth. Let me tell you. Ihe na-eme na Christendom na-eme na omenala, ihe na-eme na omenala na-eme na Islam. Let me give it. Ihe na-akpọ religion bụ religion in general. Let me tell you, it has a trend, and the trend you cannot. If you just center about this thing on Christianity, a matter what you are doing, but you are bringing out somebody for a slaughter. Happens the end also. So if you want to say the truth with being biased. I don't know what the model do.
I will put Christianity now. I don't know. I will hear the natural lifestyle, normal lifestyle. We must have a Christianity or whatever. Normal human being. Not okay. No, get to another. Faratan same for how many years? More for how many years? Just drag here. The whole rebel Menga, and they broke. The precious time we have. Even the maybe in Nigeria. And I must analyze if many things may happen, it happen the pressing need. Okay, if I drag highest drag TV Joshua, highest more 1 week now. Another breaking news will happen. that dragon will end. Now, what is your profit?
It might be an agaketa. You cannot get a reasonable answer from me if you don't listen to me.
I am getting your answer. I don't want
No,
to get...
no. If you are expecting me to tell you yes or no, but if you're expecting me to explain, you will learn one or two things. If you're expecting me to explain, man, if you can get a direct answer yes or no, I can easily do that for you. Man, if you want me to explain, it's gonna be a very big lesson to me and you, and then online here.
Okay.
See, let me tell you. Do you know why we are not demanding our rights in this country from the government?
Now,
do you know why? I asking you, do you know why?
Before I answer you that question, I go for here. The cause of problem Ndi Igbo they were today and Nigeria at large. No.
What we are talking about is not about Ndi Igbo now.
One of the major problems I went today with BBC News, BBC General. BBC fought against Nnamdi Kanu, Wagidem till date. BBC, of course, go harm na Nigeria more than good. But
how does he relate? Let's make sure that now these are our discussion get an onward direction. At some point, how does he relate now? Do you demand our rights from the government in Africa or in Nigeria here?
Network be a bridge, yeah. Network break, so I can't hear you.
So
come again.
So in this argument, let us not be an FSS.
Okay.
If I were to talk we can enter another one. Are you getting it? So what I am telling you now, the reason why we don't demand our rights here from the government is because of Guinea. We, growing up, I inculcate again to us. We have this mindset that God can do all things, and all we need is from God. God can do all things, and all we need is from God. And anything God cannot do does not exist. Even the least thing you need in life, God can provide. He can supply all our needs according to his riches in glory through Christ Jesus. See, let me tell you,
do you believe in Jesus?
Wait now, and let's not so that we can learn. Are you getting me? So that we can learn. Are you getting me now?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I listening.
Now, and because of that, whatever thing our government does, our faith and hope is on God.
Yes.
If we need a good life, we go and pray for it instead of asking for it.
Okay.
If we are hungry now, we will first pray for it before looking for anything to eat. That is our mentality. No. We in here in Africa and Nigeria. Because of that, we don't even know what we are not even getting from the government. So then we're going to clear vision or clear things they have not been getting from the government, or people that have mixed with the civilized people. Whether me travel or my travel or no, money got money may research. That's when you will know what you are not even getting from the government. Because you are not demanding from them, because you don't even know what you are not getting. But what you know is that God can give you whatever thing you are lacking. That is why 80% of people that travel outside Nigeria once they travel to a civilized country, every Sunday, majority of them on a walk, they know they go church. Because of what? They went there and found out that majority of the thing here in Africa or in Nigeria, that they provide here, no thanks, watch me, wait.
I done. Teaching. Listen to my caption. Ajunga ajuju. Who's Ajuna Abakanjuga and Ajuna by his abehe, and you are deviating from the caption. The caption says, is it right to drag the dead who cannot speak for his or herself or wrong?
You they forget what you they ask.
That's the question I asked before now.
Drag our government or demand this thing from our government instead of you use the energy. Instead of you use the energy, wait now. Instead of you use the energy.
Yeah, like here.
Before you went to jump the last one, I could be instead of you use the energy, I just drag you on your demand about something from our government. See, let me tell you, you cannot solve a problem without finding the root.
The root. Oh, I thought about your fancy are so disappointed.
If this Kobayashi, and when one person on there, the Kobayashi, Kobayashi, sorry, somebody on there in the comment section, Don Duke, America, these are the people on mob online. If I on Iyabu vigilante.
Right on. I don't deviate from my question, and in deviate from the question, man, this program will not go on. I don't say
so now what I'm saying now. Sorry, call now, but don't do America get that.
I leave you for long to be talking why I listened. So here for like 2-3 minutes. So that you can be able to pick points. The 2 questions I asked you, you have never answered it. I'm na school and there's a option A and B. Give here without any further illustration. A or B. Give A or B without any further illustration. Mocking the dead when the person is not alive, and you know fully well that this person will not speak for his or herself. Is it right or wrong? Because I know you cannot achieve anything by mocking the dead or dragging the dead. Is it
have you asked the question? I want to change again now.
Yeah.
I want to change again.
Yeah.
I want to change again.
This is simple something now.
Mock is the language you use. Mock is the language you use. Are you getting it? Mocking the dead.
Oh,
no. Now, it's mocking the dead.
Yes or no? Yes.
Mocking the dead.
Yes or no? Yes.
Mocking
he may explain. Oh no, he may explain. Oh, he needed it. So that we can go on.
Mocking the dead. It's mocking the dead. Is it right or wrong? Right?
Yes.
Yeah.
When he was no more.
Wait.
That you know fully
wait now.
Or
wait
right
now.
Or wrong. Yes or no. Simple.
Wait now. See, in a dream, in a dream, in a primary school, what 5 years, 6 years, 7 years. How much you got doing yes or no?
No.
I say yes.
An
adult were reason. No. An adult were reasons.
No.
See, an adult were reasons. See,
adult. All the university, or even all the international question, a direct option A or B.
So
you must
answer. Now in Nigeria, because this is a religious person. Let's be true. Let's be true. take it that now TB Joshua is a religious person, not a normal person. I will not here. Will you share this sentiment? If the people are saying their truth, they are now saying their truth. My happiness, but and then you know Igbo. Maka obu no bu onwe onye Igbo no that place. I got sing no tribal sentiment. Nege kwa munti. We say my na eme ekwo no Ndi Igbo na eme ka fight and Yoruba. Nege kwa munti o.
Is that a hard jomo? Is that a question?
Truth. As long as na truth meta religion.
Is that a hard?
No more truth. It's no more truth. Truth. Truth
because I'm a good fully well na Abacha loot to go Nigeria for years. Or we be drag Abacha for looting Nigeria's money. Abacha loot to go Nigeria. Even I can go Abacha Nigeria today. Abacha can go out of the up to today. We be drag Abacha. Here now why have a fight between Christendom. You
are trying to see what you should know about me is this. Yeah, me, I am very careful with my words because when myopic people who doesn't understand things the way it's supposed to be understood. Negamonte. You cannot push way to Christianity alone from my own view because here na Christendom currently na waketa no nimie na na ndị na-eme no ordinal na-emekwa na ndị na-akpụsiana.
I didn't even listen.
It's happening everywhere.
I'm a good listener. I'm a good listener and a student. Obviously, no, yes, explain the rub of ma. Automatically, I might buy idea and that's your tone. Or it's got no, explain the rub of because that's the equal here base here. You telling me that junior angel here is it's either here quote your own Bible. Say we are crucified with Christ, this and that, you know. Njog say are you Christian? Yes. Say, do you believe in Jesus Christ? A jump poor. I don't please fans, so I don't please fans because none of them will be with me on the white throne of judgment. I don't please any fans. If you like insult me for nothing tomorrow, I don't please the fans. So
yeah,
I don't.
Very soon I'll come on.
Fans say for the they will not be with you to the white throne of judgment. Okay, at the last day. So are you a Christian? You say yes. Did you believe in Christ? A jump 1, 2. Did you?
See, let me tell you. Wrong narrative. Let me tell you. You cannot be asking me Nasa is in a deepota. You, it's not only you that is asking questions. I can ask you questions. Let me tell you. When you are in public space, you don't speak things you can withdraw. Let me tell you. You need to be very calculative in speaking. Epom na your life. Let me tell you, if Epom na your life, if you are drilling me out of the text, the context of Iyanem, you cannot get an answer. See, let me tell you, the context of Iyane now, na conflict each other, and I don't know what you. It's conflicting each other because you are not coming out. Answer chanka. And when you know maybe now I'm not sounding the way you want me to. By asking me, are you by asking me, are you a Christian? Wait now. By asking me, are you a Christian? Is a question. Now, by asking me, do you believe in Christ? What do you want to establish? Now, if you're saying the truth is not sentimental. The truth doesn't have anything to do with any religion. The truth is truth. In religion, in religious sector and outside religious sector, the truth remains the truth. It doesn't have any affiliation, any kind of religion. The truth will remain the truth. So don't get it biased by trying to push it. Christians on all these things. It cannot stop me from saying the truth, my brother.
When a Christian man, had their cover up there, but inwardly they are not Christian. It's just a name. Christianity is just it's just like I set the exam for you. It better not was only set the exam that exam I said to the average to one, two. I told them to please the fans. You as much as they are the one watching your videos, sharing your videos, always stand on that you call truth. Things here in our divert, here.
It's because of what? Do you know why? You are asking me something not relatable. Talking about truth here. You are pushing it to a fight against Christianity. You are pushing it to whether Christians, whether I am a Christian, whether you are expecting me to support Christians, whether I should be sentimental in somebody being dead. I should be sentimental in somebody being dead or alive. All your question is biased and sentimental. You cannot get that kind of question answer you are expected to hear from somebody like me. It is very, very calculative. It's not possible.
Personally, it is to nurture your fans, and your fans are here watching you, so you don't want to disappoint them. No. I am not doing it about my fans. Let me tell you, if it's all about my fans, why do you think I can come on your life for what? Okay. See, I am a convener of Igbo culture and tradition, and you're not Ndi Igbo. See, let me tell you. And when you basam no kwa, man, one of the biggest problems that is holding us back now. Maybe I will not work before, man. For now, one of the things I hold any back as people from this African continent right now, do religion. Let me tell you, religion. I told me man, because of the ideology and our own sentiment towards religion in the modern day is drawing us back as a people. May understand what I am telling you extensively. See, let me tell you, what you don't know that I know, JPAC, what I know is bigger than what you know. It's not by age. Religion. What I know is bigger than what you know, generally. And it's not something we can consume here online. If I can tell you that this is a problem and you don't want to give me a chance to explain why I said it's a problem, then it's not something I can come here and start speaking up here on this live. But what I have to tell you is this: once you are putting up your question, don't be biased. Make sure that once you are dealing with the truth, don't end up making people that are speaking the truth look like
Good morning. JPAC, good morning. Good morning. Someone is there. I want to chip in something, please. Good morning, everybody.
Not seeing your face. Good morning.
Please, I would like to answer a question here, direct from JPAC. When you ask such question, you need a direct, because the fact is fact, is it rightful to mock the dead? The word mock the dead. The answer is capital no. It's very, 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 very wrong. Be you who? Be you a religious person? Be you or whoever it might be, to start saying things about the dead or to mock that dead is not right in every verification, you see. So this kind of questions now, I'm directed to how you done such things. You go direct. You know that maybe this man or whoever they're talking about must have committed one or two things which me and you are not sure of, because we are not there, because what we are just sharing is hearsay. You understand? So that truth we are talking about, we have not verified it. You yourself have not verified it, or even the lies they are lying upon you. We have not. We don't know. We are just saying from hearsay. You understand? So in that aspect, mocking the dead, generally everywhere in the world, even in the law courts, you cannot bring a case against a dead person. It's not done because there's no witness. So in that aspect, that answer is, it is very, very, very wrong to mock the dead. Then from the second something I want to chip in again is what you said that you done, my brother, my big brother. I love your music. I'm a very big fan. I keep following you. You are doing great for the Igbo nations. Thank you so much for that. Then the issue of the problem of Africa, Western Africa, and all that, you target religion. I have been telling people that it is very, very wrong. You know the truth. We know the problem of Africa. We know the paramount problem. And the paramount problem is what? The government. The government is our problem. When the government provide all the necessary things they're supposed to provide, when the government start to put all the basic amenities, you will see that people narrative, people thinking, people reasoning, we start to do what? Differentiate. They would like to direct their reasoning towards certain experts. You can't tell me that someone that is working from morning till night, Monday to Thursday, and only have for Sunday to rest, we have time to go for crusade on Wednesday or Thursday. The answer is no. You understand? Because we have unemployment, the government are not doing the needful. There is crime rise in the brain. So that is the problem. Let us stop pushing. Okay, when you talk of religion, is the problem. That is generally traditional religion is involved. Do you know? Every other religion is involved, but these things are not our problem.
I said religion. I said religion. I didn't call out any particular religion.
No, that's what I'm saying. I'm saying the same thing, my brother. I said when we are talking of this religion, you said now it entails all the religion. You understand? And they are not our problem. They are not our problem. You understand me? Our problem is the government. Small kids going to do okiti, doing 419, doing yahoo and all that.
Let's not digress. See,
no, I'm telling you. Okay, sorry. Okay, wait.
I want to ask you something.
Let me pour out my this finish, please.
It's a question, not a contribution. In public discussion, you can only ask a question.
Then you allow me to learn before you ask me questions now, please, my brother. That is how it's been done.
No. According to what we are saying, moving forward, all direction.
Okay, see what I'm trying to say. Maybe because I used okiti. Okay, let me not go there.
I am disappointed in you right now by using.
No, I said our children going to okiti united campaign. Okay, sorry. Those young boys. Sorry for that. Those young boys going to pastor's place. Let me not use this side now. Those young boys going to pastor's church.
One by one.
Okay, what I'm trying to say,
when everybody's talking, no one is talking.
Calm down. Those ones.
I need 2 minutes or 3 minutes to round up so that I
Thank you so much. Thank you, my moderator. Those kids, let me not go in the line of okiti anyway, but we are talking about religion that being the problem. I'm trying to direct it very well. With those kids, let me now use Christian side. Those kids or whoever that is going to a church or for a pastor to pray for him to get to visa to abroad, or those people going to do okiti to get money, they are doing all these things because of what? Unemployment. When there is employment, when people are working, we will not have that kind of mindset, believing that okiti will give you money, or believing that a pastor will pray for you so that you'll be able to make money or get a visa.
My brother, I said I have a question for you.
Thank you so much. You can throw your question now. You're done.
Now, one thing I want to ask you is this. About that now, if me and you did a business, and unfortunately for me, I died, can you go to my wife or my family to see if they can pay you the money that we transacted? Even as I don't die. Wait. I want to ask.
You mean? Okay, can I answer?
You can go ahead.
Okay, you said that if I do business with you and that person is no more, not you.
Me. Unfortunately, I died. I was no more.
Okay. Should I go and ask your people for the money, or should I pay? If I will go and ask, I'll go and tell them.
Will you make an attempt to see if you can recover the money, if the family can actually pay you, or people related to me, or any?
Thank you. If the person have that capability, I know that he have the capability, he have things, he have the money to pay. You understand me? I will give some time, and I will still go and tell the wife that so husband is owing me so amount. I will go and tell them.
But you can answer my own. Obuna, let me use onye ji ụgwọ nke a na-ewu ewu kịta ya na-ewu na asị na na-ebuje mmadụ na-arụsị onye nwụrụ anwụ na o ji mmadụ ụgwọ wee nwụọ. O ji onye ahụ nwụrụ anwụọ na ego ahụ anwụgo. Because number one, I was not there when you transact the business. Nobody can able to call me out. It not possible. Mmadụ ịbịa kịta asị na nwunye m ji ụgwọ wee nwụọ mụ na sị bịa kwụọ ụgwọ. What the ebe mere because it evidence. Man, I gave me business. Woman, I want to get business. You know, I business I want. So when I did some job, about the Ugo. Oh, yeah, how I want to go. That is it.
Jepa kine a different thing. Jepa because in Igbo Ugo Dichi, na Igwaha. You understand me? I will tell them that I'm supposed to give out the Ugo. That is what I say. You are saying Igbo Ugo. I don't say judging from light of what he said. That's in of course. I will go and tell them, and you understand what I mean, you know. So each one will go with every force, anything you can to get your money back.
So now, I've heard your answer. I've heard your answer. That now you will try and see if you can recover the money, right?
Yeah. I will put it to their notice.
No, you will try and see if you can recover the money. Even when you know that the person you transacted business with is dead, right?
Yeah, when I said when I know that the man had left enough things that can take care of my money is owing me.
So now, let's not digress whether you know, or let me say that now. Need a gola, or Ghana, based on trust on the young wasege. It's really documented and the Ogo no kata we akucha bongo for ana 50 million. When no kata we nwo. I want to go get 20 million or for 30 million. And now we go. In na naganya. When I find naga. So here na gwam get an ige jepuru my wife, mod our family see her and when ka get see get the remaining 30 million of phone. Okay.
No, this another question. When in this aspect, I myself, since that person and I have the documents of that land, I will refund the money Dihakula who welcome my land.
So there will still be a transaction even when the person will go.
You said?
There will still be a transaction even when the person will go. Even when more will go.
So babe, go out of Facebook and come back here. I can't bring you.
You are saying a different thing. Your questions are a bit complicating in what we are saying. You are trying to digress. You are digressing. You are digressing. Now you don't. Let's get to the point. Mocking the dead is, if you need in the Bible, mocking the dead is bad. You understand me? Despite the fact that I'm not supporting anybody.
No, I am trying to make my point. I have not made my own point.
Make your point.
Are you getting
straight that I'm asking? These questions are complicating because the question something it depends on the individual. This question in not we are talking about facts, something that is facts, not the reality, not individual.
My brother. We are trying to share ideas together. So so there as long as name that na he na ekubu ezioku, as long as name that na the business transaction we had the valid, no bro na you na talk imegide mmadu, you will still go and demand for your money and see if it will be paid or not. That is wait now. Hold on.
Hold on.
If you go if you go to my wife and ask why I'm that na iye melu na emego and oga go 5 months or 4 months so jime then went to business mona digi me and the neko siga na the evidence of the business na ka ihe ni nesi wega amoro mu mgbe oga adire gị easy ki iwe ke malụ maka anyị si mee ihe a ka enyekwa m ihe nke dị gị na-eme nwụrọ ọ amara ka a ga-esi lekwazie the business iwerekwa ego nke dị gị kwụgara akwụ ka m welekwa my property. If you can do that, do you know that there are some people by the side who will tag you that you don't have a conscience? Nwaanyị lụzuru di ka iji eje weta business ka ọ kwụbanụ gị ụgwọ ebe ka isi weta ego eji zụ ụmụazị ka ọ fọzie bịa akwụwa gị ụgwọ business gịnị ha na-abụ melụ. Imana people can say that you are mocking the dead by trying to demand for what you own or rightfully own from business. Again,
Not hold on. Not when the man, the dead person, is strictly rich. When that person is not when that person is a very rich person. It's a different thing we are saying here. Not when that person is very, very rich. You know that he has a lot of investment everywhere. You can't tell me that someone like Dangote or something, you bring the Dangote in this kind of case now, and such thing happened, and someone went to Dangote's family to demand for his bail, and people will start saying that that person is not doing it right. No, it depends on the individual. That is what I'm telling you. When you are dealing with a rich person, it is a different case. You understand? Because you yourself, being able to know that this person have the capability, he have the financial muscle more than you do. Even if when he is late, his family has so wish to pay you whatever he's owing you. You understand what I'm saying? So it is a different thing. It is a different thing. It is a different thing, my brother.
I got my brother.
Yeah.
Now, this is a clear case of Nanda can be able to pay back, or it's a case of Nanda might not be able to pay back. Nkaba another thing. Mana, what I am asking is to establish that when somebody is dead, everything about that person is dead and gone. Things like that doesn't happen. If things like that happen, see, let me tell you, if things like that happen, most of the references make in our religion, Mande Omenala Mande Christianity and Christendom, is all about great from the past. Abraham Nando Tufa. Are you getting it? See, we talk about the dead so that the living will learn. We talk about the dead so that the living will learn. See, if you have any baggage, that you need to offload so that the living can move on with their life.
Please, point of direction, I'm done. Point of direction, you are making a mistake. JPAC, the topic is, JPAC wasn't saying, or me, we are not saying that you should not talk about the dead. He said, mocking the dead. Mocking the dead.
Wait now.
It's a different thing from talking about the dead.
Wait. Now you are coming back to Ishi. That's why I could not answer JPAC yes or no, because he used the word mock. And I underlined it and told him, JPAC, you said the word mock. Now, what I want to know is when the truth has become a mock, when something you call your truth has become.
Hello.
Yeah, talk. I hear you.
Double JPAC. Ekene. I don't know. I don't know. Because
maybe somebody's
JPAC, I want to go out. Please let me drop this point. My brother Bata now, I have a work to attend now, you know. So I want to just a minute. I want to finalize my question here. Please, my brothers and sisters in Nigeria, in West Africa, it is high time we know that religion is not our problem. It's not our major problem. Our major problem is the government. When the government provides all the necessary things they're supposed to provide for the masses, I think we have a different narrative about all whatever we are doing. Our government is our problem. Let us rise and use our voice to always that energy to preach, to attack the government, to see if they can do the needful. Thank you so much. May God bless everybody. Thank you.
Before you go, my brother, you emailable if email somebody before King kept work. And then let me put it to you. And then we could say, no matter si don't welonko, edo welonko, no bredo si febio bosionko. The reason why I said that the religion is our problem is because of what? We are groomed religiously from childbirth.
I said our major problem. We have many problems. Excuse me. I said our major problem.
Wait, our
major problem.
Wait. Our religious is our maybe city. Or I'm maybe.
Our major problem.
See, I wanted to teach the two of you something you will learn now. But what you're trying to do is to shut me up.
Sorry, I'm going to. I said our major problem. Listen to me. I said our major problem. Not every aspect is a problem to Africa, but our major problem is the government. My brother, I do think that the Nigerian system is working very well. You yourself, being Ayidon, the kind of peak you will be like kind of Michael Jackson then in America. If Nigeria is well organized, the government is working. Our major problem is the government. We know that we have other problems. We have other problems. We have other things. We have other things that contribute to Nigerian problem, African problem. We have so many things, but the major problem, there are so many things that contribute to that. But the paramount, the major problem is the government. You understand me? Thank you so much. I see you guys later.
I am not saying the government is not our problem. Wait, let me tell you.
Can I get
who will demand for their rights? Wait, who will demand for their rights from the government? Who?
Because I don't know
I was not speaking for some minutes now.
Can I
you asked me and muzzle me not to speak because I'm not speaking your mind.
Okay, sorry.
Your man kiwa batara here. Your man kiwa
batara. Man of Ekube. No. I don't. So you are my friend. You're also a friend because I've been following you, and I like some things you do. Then I disapprove some things you do also. I have my comment. Now, and this is a new page anyway. You may not recognize me with this name. Now, eventually, more personally, Henry Zibozioma na deeper life for 13 years. Can Zibozioma? The truth. Himself is a preacher. I have to go to but I be fine. There's not 13 years. If you are 15 years, if you don't have deeper life, can have assemblies of God. So, and when then we fall for I feature the high due to it one way or the other, not in favor and I could which more always stand it. Mana I want and then if the thing is not well analyzed to explain, people are now what and then when they're in the Jeranya. If now religion is our problem in Nigeria in particular with this, because I'm also a victim. Nigga with problem. Come I wagging no problem here, I say give you a prayer. And
go out. Every day go offline and come back. Network just distracted. Go offline and come back.
Hello.
Right on.
So now, here you went. Can you hear me now?
I can hear.
Go on.
Yeah, here you went. The religion is the problem. Now, look at the population of Nigeria, about 200 million. Now, 199 million Bundi Oka, Nandi Muslim, Nandi Otuha, especially Ndi Oka. Let's talk about Ndi Oka. Now, no, Kaifan accusing people that no solution to his problem is God. And when somebody grew with this mentality and belief, in Aguya no Jekuloya no ya solve problem. You see, no God, ya solve problem, yeah.
My brother,
now,
you are
trying to shut him. Wait. He's making sense now.
Wait,
he's making sense now. Like myself, because of sense. Wait, so son and make it now. Other I got with here, TB Joshua Makia.
No, we are talking about the topic at hand.
I'll still come to TB Joshua. I'll still come to TB Joshua.
No, you will not tell me what to say. Here my program.
Okay.
Okay. Is it wrong or right to mock the dead when the person is no more?
Okay.
The answer is discuss religion. I discuss all religion.
Okay. The answer I just started from the point that man pull up. Oh, you can do religion. Now, no issue of mocking the dead or not mocking the dead. The answer is yes and no. Let me give you an example. Oh, you want to true or false? Otu annam no now. Ana ekum nam ngoro 3 years ago. Aka na ekum maka na village. Ha okwa mgbe nwoke ma no. No ya onye ya ihe dị anya asị abịa kwa eziokwu without fear of favor. So okwa if ana ekum maka in positive way. Do you understand? Now, the same way onye nwekwara nwere ife ọjọọ mere dị anya maka enwe onye zuru oke. Enwe ike ana ekwu that thing. People who are going that line may decline or say so na ihe onye a mere na ọdrọkwa mma. So that's why I say yes and no. Now, in some villages, Afro Mebo and we ban a boput onye nwere anwụ self. We buy ọkụkụ ya because of I'm just giving you a typical example. Onye nwere anwụ for years. Anọgide duty ihe ọjọọ asị na ya abọpụtara onye agba ọkụ. Ọ mọkịrị ka ọ nọ ha mọkịrị. Please. Okay, my audience is not, my voice is not.
We are hearing you. Problem in wherever.
Now, J-Pack, onye ahụ now, nwere anwụ, ọ mụtara ụmụ. Enwegokwa ebe o mere na Nnewi self, ma ha akwa afa. Onye ahụ mụrụ ụmụ ha ụfọdụ nọ Lagos. Abọpụta ọkpụkpụ nna si na ya.
My brother, don't say too much. See, J-Pack never na J-Fa. J-Pack never na J-Fa. J-Pack never na J-Fa kita. See. He's an online journalist. Let me tell you. And the more in about you go on the more views you have. But let me tell you. Oh my god, man. Ask you okay, now my go and Ezioku cannot stop being the truth. Me when I woman dendo, Ezioku will always stand like this.
Like for example, one man in a buy the Abansi on a Abansi more than do. I confront to her where now where on a Abansi. Even one if him and him I confront to whom mother where to a me who more than do. Original Bong around there's not Japan, maybe I'm be a war today. If it doesn't more be a no more, all this in a blasphemy or to just create something to maybe I forgot that this woman was also why no okay. Yeah, brother Anima, wait. Anima, even I know the free here. Who na foot and came money. Maybe they have that drag. Anna mad was here drag this person for me. I drag here. All the men are Igbo, money are much more wine throughout. Days ago, exactly if the men are Igbo, they men at church. Days ago, I went for that maybe the only Amata worker and Gray Betty. Only and get as second in command and coming. I get as second in command. I drag Vazieka Enrique inherit here, property demand around. Here be name that on Oka TB Joshua. And the wife from Motrason wine, working. And then to take a 1 year sitting in control of all the monies, all the property belonging to her husband. In fact, unu na-abụ n'ebe ya agwa nwere eziokwu ihe agada abịa na-eso okwu property na-eso okwu ihe ọzọ.
Let's not go into that detail because I am not there.
You must go into the detail. No. You must go into the detail because I'll be the talk I will tell you in Kebezu. Even in so good a church about property. Property the man happen where would it too much. And they didn't control over the wife. 5 wise men and went at church. Now drag a carpet toward the church once and for all. Koya Baraka. Ebobuna. Now the property nebu naka wunye code wunye the document. So any place, anywhere I get fight the wife now is social through social media and the allegation. Who now I had drag going around, I saw another drag around war. I drag about a loot to ego. About a loot to ego. I can drag about a loot to ego Nigeria. Man, this very particular one I got about property TB Joshua. Actually is scatter because not the wife, not in control. Obla this wife, obla the wife, okay, this thing will not go length like this. Obla unye tibulation mutaramoke, if I'm a length like this, no wine come. So main source, as long as this case the concern, if I has a property can up one year if OG. On all the call, let me my mother more wine throughout. Sorry, my mother more wine throughout. All of the travel to one, so now the will be or motor. And for therefore, near the car, record it. Yeah, exactly the man Igbo. Be they make fat. I say my hard drag around Mochi onye Siburu on war and a boy, jelly and a jofia. I saw another walk. Only made for a job. Metife drag and I drag here. Only better engage comma. I get one human say, man, this case the hack he has some property TB Joshua. When he has because TB Amota okay. Don't do as I say here. Here you why these 5 wise men, man, have a member of. Why do you go out now? You supposed to hear because you must hear it. You must hear this by fire by thunder. Maybe people might think that now J-Park and this too sentimental and not support on Canada. No, only me for job and I drag. Man, at this point now, this woman I'm okay. I can never be a party whereby to intimidate somebody because no more okay. Even some people are the history of this story. Some people are how the foundation of this story. Yeah, my bona BBC News people take another drag. I can decide somebody might pay me. I might decide to drag somebody the mighty because of the money I would take. And don't you do any case, do any court, do any sound, do everything to back you up.
For me, J-Pack, this dragon of TB Joshua, I brought up because of my own, because I remember, in as much as I like TB Joshua, in fact,
when I say J-Pack, I have conscience. Speak about the victim. Which victim? Are you sure? You know, there. Did you any evidence CG to prove? Somebody are not going to but somebody are going to put those go to pastor. Madam goes in a pastor. Just get it. Can't wait any even on your nobody. Only him here today, only tomorrow, only yesterday, only beginning and ending. Or a flay from money. Or who property when you want it, I will able to mother have them to acquire money. I don't know this person. I'm Marabonia from Adam. Or put on work with na media that no yara. Or does it media get to destroy Donald Trump? I get media book allegation, boguji bogede. Obina Kurune, Obina Mota, the page and I watch him. Name or wine throughout. A Mota woke it. When I support, you have a TB Joshua. If I'm a TB Joshua, make simple. Manamade will hope. I'm able to wine throughout. When I support, you had a Memunia TB Joshua. If I may make because all come. TB Joshua may just sit drag here. Sit drag here, don't really hold your money. Food, ya tabona. Now, 1 year was so wine, and she's a strong woman. The woman which here property there, and she is the rightful owner of everything that belong to TB Joshua. When TB was suffering, now they grow ministry and where we are there. But as I wouldn't TB Joshua, so they target out already at the point of death. Already at the point of death, people are going here up. Kaiba say where the property is TB Joshua because no more okay. Okay, why is it that the pastor can hand over his ministry? Or where other redeem ko nke oye de ko adeboye o were ministry again kito aka de ndo were nye papa nye nwa nwoke n'aka nwa nwoke
that is business.
Oh
yes, that's business.
Now when the ministry o were nye odi in charge because o muru nwoke o bu na o muru nwaanyị anaghị edu nzukọ.
Yeah. Mana J-Pack,
so
what we are saying in essence, apart from what you've just said, I don't want to delve into that.
What we are saying, religion, nothing concerning religion, concerning this thing.
What we are saying is that
my wife have build the family because I'm not okay. It clear more. All in a developed country, all government own that property of TB Joshua. All government own the property. He must not drag because if no matter how okay, he may say the wife intimidated to not work. Come and sing outside the church, he read the property. To attend to Israel. Yes, now come and sing outside the church, he read the property. He cannot just bench the woman because no one is going. He better one he better keep in here. It's not possible. That is the problem. Or what you are drag him TB. If the only weapon they want to use to fight against TB Joshua media, media will scatter the man. Only support to because the woman
from let us say this from biblical standpoint or from gospel standpoint. Now, apart from that, I don't mean to how they are sharing their properties or their businesses. I mean, abroad my problem. They put the dragon, and now those dragons are social.
I am seeing you. God bless you.
So, that TB Joshua were dragged, even when he was alive. Yeah, they could have just a small thing of what was said when he was alive.
My brother, be very calculative. For example, now no one can and you were ego. If you want, if you like ka one day nke toro mo nke toro gini bia chopu nwunye gi narazie ya this is in charge of your property omo ga kware bazie
it's not done that way. I'm not talking about it now.
I email like that. I like here, even when you are there.
Yeah.
Good. It's not like can't intimidate. Not property. May everything a to comes not like here. Okay, may TB just intimidate.
No, J-Pack, for social media. Yeah, one inside.
I know the secret. I don't know. I'm on the secret. How we use social media? I know the secret. Even you are no. He can be among the nation. Oh God. Ugo babe, I cannot bring you in. Ugo babe, I'm trying to bring you in. I cannot bring you in. Your page, the restricted that I cannot bring you. Please, I cannot bring you in, Ugo babe. And after I go down, I can bring you. Error. I cannot unless you use your normal Facebook account to come in.
J-Pack, I'll be leaving. Even shall establish this. In my high, they put each and if I'm organized sleep. About property or sharing of property or whatever. We judge what we see, not what we don't see. If an ekubu arranged miracles, arranged strategies,
my brother, I didn't arrange miracle ever. If we ever arrange miracle,
and I said,
the reason why I had the exam, the reason why I had the exam, Bona, if you have topic, you now solve another equation, and you go algebra, you just solve almighty formula.
but you thought that you are mocking the dead? Yeah, they go each and mocking the dead.
That is, I'm saying that I need every single tools. I need every single tools. When I fight, you only nobody to fight. They might use it not fake miracle. They might use this not okay. And I say fake miracle when this man is no more. Mbagi age man of fake miracle. Mbagi age man he didn't know fake miracle before. If I not tell you here na absorb property, use your bread, my brother. If I was on a church property, oh no,
yeah, it's now resorted to if I could business can now. Because let all judge it from gospel standpoint. You say no. So how can on what basis can you judge Bazil? Can happen in the village?
Social media. I can more people will be the last idiot. Yeah, believe in social media. Before me, me call this show, maybe Lagos, and I'm very close to Joshua. And which I contact what is happening there. Oga, here in our social media, even as without building document.
You may be right. But even now, George, what I hear, not what I don't hear, what I don't see.
This is not what you hear. Do your own investigation before you judge. Actually, not put the woman. Okay, I'm going to say here. The day I nearly TV Joshua, that day I see the barrier. Keep up with the Cape Dros create ye committee. Onya ya BC, Nonya ya board, Onya ya hand over the church too. I'm gonna go the wife. No, I am not paying. Now we are 100. No one I am not. I can have. Ever can the thing no way do. The woman the kwetiri na ma obona anya ko ya no way. So whether arrange miracle, arrange testimony is none of my business. Yen ne kubu. Either judge here accordingly to hears already. And I judge accordingly. More wine throughout where only open a my wife what belong to me. I must track the person, even from my death. I have to strike here because when I'm poor, I'm suffering. The wife is there with me. Suffer, give them build to ego. Or I maybe na brother Chineke go na ma bi ogologo ndu nwo ego mmeji we zo ụmụ na my wife I will take care of them for the rest of their life e biazie si na azu because e bụ nwanne nwoke e bụ nwanne nke aka e biazie na my wife ihe oju ebiri oga ma strike onye afọ
mana we nchekwa gwa gị JPAC e ma ka si water life me no biko onye o si water e nwode structure family mmadụ esi na epụta no the business onye na-eme e nwere every ị ga-eru. You watch your structure of your business, structure of your family. If you don't know, okay, for example, now at my age now, my son is almost getting to 18 now. Now, you won't care, assuming that I have properties. Are there documents here? I bought a car on my wife.
Only me for church. Only a chick didn't know that. Can you go? Ibido neje regime. Now, for example. Okay, let's use Omenala deeper life. Omenala deeper life. Konyima found the deeper life. Akwa kumui. Akwa kuyi abi. Omenala deeper life. And again no cho. And again no give one bomb the found the deeper life. When again no only deeper life found the deeper life kumui.
Yeah.
Then Rusians need the kumui and what you see no. And I'm happy to found the church. He said, but that's all now. This is not giving senior the church.
Because the founder of that church did not define the structure of the church. Church like
so he found the whole.
Remember, I'm not defending either of the party.
Yes or no? Yes or no?
Somebody wiki outside itself, the foundation. Often the foundation of that structure is shaking. Anybody we see anyway be as well. So no use that. The founder.
Excuse me, wait now. I know that bankata. Ibu diopara in your family. Somebody see Ibo ye Enugu, bro diopara. Somebody see Imo State. Bia begi na azo diopara. In Madana azo yon abu okay.
That foundation of that family is shaking.
Madana azo yon build. He did a family on your azo diopara. He have a family in a better family guy na azo kim.
We're born. My we're born right now.
My brother, I end the life with that one, but I need a journal now.
J-Pack, religious things so complicated, especially in Quebec.
I didn't make a good religion. I didn't make a good by topic.
If you don't synagogue, and then we can somebody may approach, may not be the right person that will give you vital information that you need.
Thank you very much for joining us, and God bless you. My name is Ili I still maintain on what I said. You do not mock the dead. And here is so today. We get it. Onye bukora. Imo wine ta. Umuni never wine. Check him or the man. Imo wine tata. Obuna umuni never wine. Check him or the man. Somebody again. Biabawa wunya can ask her any no joke. Or we hear this. Or we have na social media. Nesu. Yaga zenu.